In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how you can embed your Calendly in Notion. So it's pretty simple to do. And if you try it by copying a link or embed link for the website and it's not worked, I'm going to show you how you can also do that. So if you click on the three dots next to your scheduling or meeting, then you can click on add to website. And this should create the embed code. So if I click on, let's say, inline embed and then continue, and I'm going to copy this code. And in the Notion, if I type embed like this, and I'm gonna paste the link, and the embed could not be loaded, there is another way how we can do this. So I'm gonna quickly remove this, and we want to copy the link of the meeting. So I'm gonna click on the copy link. So it's going to copy the link of the meeting, and then you can go back to Notion and type embed, paste the link from Notion, and this should work, and this is going to embed your meeting. So you can see, and that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.